The International Association of Crime Analysts is actively committed to serving crime and intelligence analysts all over the world. With over 5,000 members, we are actively expanding our membership and developing our services. Our certification program sets a high standard for analysts globally. The Law Enforcement Analysts Foundation, or LEAF, and the Certified Law Enforcement Analysts, or CLIA programs, provide accreditation for both entry-level and experienced analysts. We also facilitate coaching and mentoring for our members. The IACA's professional training series provides analysts with all the skills they need, offering classes online and in person in tactical analysis, problem analysis, computer applications, crime mapping, and much more. In addition, our annual conferences and symposiums provide unique professional development and networking opportunities. Our member-only webinar library contains valuable teachings on subjects from criminal profiling to database design and includes our popular certification, ArcGIS, and I2 Analyst Notebook series. We also offer a range of publications to our members which include insights from our global analyst community, best practices, and training opportunities. Our online forum is a hub for members to network and to share their questions and ideas with our global community of over 5,000 members, and is considered a vital resource for crime analysts worldwide. The IACA offers quality training and networking opportunities to our members. We support our regional associations and chapters across the globe. We look forward to continuing our support for our members.